In Hackathon last year, the hosts have this programming competition for us to play. It was to build the front page of Google within 15 minutes without Wi-Fi. Besides the actual competition, I find the coding challenge as the second most exciting thing in the hackathon. So in this series, I will attempt to create the front page of popular websites using only HTML and CSS. Okay, I assume it is recording. Hopefully it works. So this time we're doing LinkedIn, the login. So this one is kind of unique because when you go below 500 pixel, I'm guessing it's just roughly 500 pixel. Look at the input bar; it will be like around 20 or so pixel away. Look at this. When I stretch this is mobile responsive, and also you can look at the fact that the bottom menu bar is gone when you resize it to less than 500 pixel. So this should be pretty easy, but you never know, Anyway, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, LinkedIn. So first, let's do some dumb styling. Okay, and some body stuff. Background white. Okay, that's the first thing. Second, I'm pretty sure the whole thing will be like display flags, right? Flags direction, let's call it column, right? So because everything is in column, and then we have div and div, just random div, LinkedIn. I'm gonna use HTML to draw LinkedIn, literally. Okay, where is it? Okay, so this one I don't think we need any more styling. Display, just so it display flags. Flags. Okay, and then this just do like a style, and then we have to have a background of blue. Yeah, and then a width of 30 pixel. Because this we haven't established the font yet. Font size 20 pixel, 30 pixel. Yeah, it's too huge. 20. Yep. Okay. So just give it 25. Yeah, it's not too bad. And then padding 1 pixel, 2 pixel, and then for the 3 pixel. Okay, for the radius 3 pixel. Okay, let's do the whole padding left. Okay, almost. Okay, and this, I don't know why we don't have color already for black. Yeah, there you go. And this is color white. 2 minutes on the local. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, let's not waste more time. Okay, next is welcome back. I think the typing is gonna be like don't miss your next opportunity. Sign in to stay updated on your professional world. Okay, all of them you need to say like text align center. Let's see if they inherit everything. Yes, they do. That's good. That's great. Text align center. Okay, text align center. And why is it not working? Let me see. Oh, because it's a display file. Okay, flux. Align item center. Yeah. flux direction row. All right. There you go. Sorry, I added the wrong thing because of the thing. Okay, yeah, whatever. So it's kind of tight. So let's call a margin, call padding top. 20 VH. Yeah, there you go. And then each of the depth, right? Not every one of them. Style, margin, top, 20. And then why don't you make this color black and font size a little bit bigger, 30. No, 20. Okay, font weight. BOLD. Okay, welcome back. Don't miss your opportunity. This is gray. This should be gray. See, sometimes I cannot match the color. The reason being that I turn on the tint on the monitor when it's after certain hours, and the reason is that it will help you fall asleep easier, because if you use too many blue light at night, it's hard to fall asleep. So that's why I did Okay, this is called email, and then this is called password, and they both have something called like input box. No, they both should use the same thing. Yeah, they should both use the same thing. Just say like input box. But they both have different placeholder though. One of them is email or phone, and the other one is called password, right? Yep. Okay. So the input box has to be pretty input. No. Dot input box. Okay. Height. Give it 30 pixel. 40. 30. Yeah, this 30, 38. Yeah. Margin. I really want to use like multiple 10 though. Margin 2. 4 pixel. Okay. So normally the width would be this when it is not being constrained, right? When it's being constrained, we will have another setting for it, right? So this is definitely not mobile first. Mobile first would be like defining the mobile setting first. Or should we? No, we shouldn't. Do the screen first. Do the desktop version first. This is reverse. Reverse the mobile first. Width will be 300 pixel. Yep. Border radius, give it like a 2 pixel, not too much, not too little. And border width is 0. Nope. 1. Border color, just have it black. Yeah, sure. Give it 3 pixel, and then border width 1 pixel. Yeah, there you go. And padding, you have to have some padding on the left, so that you have like 4 pixel. Give it 5. 10 pixel, and font size would be like 20 pixel. Give it 15. And of course margin has to improve by 10 or 20. Okay, so this is not great. Why is it not great? Because I don't want them to space apart, so you have to have a separate setting for each of them. So for the first input, let's just call it The first one is email, right? The other one is password. Terrible name, but email and then password. Okay, margin top 20 pixel. Yeah, sure. And margin bottom, give it 5. Man, this laptop is so warm. I really need to reapply the thermal paste. Okay, 5 pixel top, 20 pixel bottom, and then we have an exact similar size for the button, submit button, sign in button, just call it sign in. Okay, so what is inside it? Sign in. Okay, first of all, the sign in button has similar settings, so we're not going to do this again with similar setting as this thing, right? So we just copy and paste and then see what we need to change. First of all, of course, we need to change is that, let me see, width. Why is there padding left? Oh, you don't need padding? Okay, width is the same. Why is it smaller? Why is this smaller? Yeah, I guess. Sometimes just do something manual. Okay, 5. Yeah, almost 4. 3. Yeah, sure. Seems the height. Height need to adjust to 40 or 45. I think there's some setting in here that I need to override, that's why. Yeah, background, let's call it blue. Nope, it's way too blue, light blue. To say blue, to say no, light. Like sea green blue, light blue. It's too blue, too light blue. Did I just say too blue? Okay, what about this one? Yeah. Again, I cannot tell the color. It's all tinted on my computer. Border, we don't want the black. We just have this. Sign in, and then next. Oh, 8 minutes. Okay. Forgot password. This will be a link. We can convert that later. And next is new to link. LinkedIn. Join now. Okay, style. Let's make this color blue. And margin top 20 pixel. Yeah. Okay, this is cool. And the last part is that you have to kick this crap out of the body. You have to get what is it called? A footer out of the body, right? So that you can out of the flow, right? So in order to go out of the flow, let's call it the very creative name, footer menu. So when you have footer menu, what you need to do is this position attribute, and then you have to do like height 10 VH, and then give it some color to show your existing gray, and then bottom 0, left 0, and then width 100. Yeah, there you go. See, so you kick it out of the flags. Okay, and then next, of course, this have to have its own display flux, which has a series of stuff. So flux direction, we call it row, and then space. Wait, what am I thinking? Out this align item space. No, what's it called? What is that thing called? Space between. I'm losing it. Justify content. Oh, okay. Space between. There you go. Man, I've been using that for a long time. How can I forget that? And you have a bunch of stuff. Of course, I'm gonna just copy and paste this, link in pretty stuff here, from here to here, so that we have one of them already done, and then we have a bunch of other stuff, right? We have add 2020, right? What is happening? Oh, we missed one. Okay. Okay. 2020 should be within this thing, right? So it fits. Next, okay, user agreement. Next, privacy policy. Next, community guideline. And next, cookie policy. And seems to be like copyright. Oh, sorry, what am I doing? Copyright policy. Really hope I have the time to implement the thing. What's it called? The mobile responsive feedback. Sorry that you have to bear with me while I type stuff. Okay. So font size, no problems. Convert all to black. Yep. And next is line height is a 10 px, right? So it will center it. And this has to be the thing that change height 25 pixels. Okay. Okay, what is happening? Okay, let me see. Heading left, border radius. It's not inside though. Okay, display. Flux. Can you get it in? No? Usually that works, but I don't know why. Also, it doesn't work. Somehow something is messing up. Okay, height. What about this? Okay. What's happening? Why doesn't it work? Why is it pushing it to the... Man, this is really hard to debug. Flux direction, yeah. I have no idea. Cannot debug it right now. We only have 2 minutes. So what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just delete this part. Yep. And just let it be. What's happening? Why is everything gone? Right, because of this. Yeah. So next is, let me see. Yeah. And then now I have to do the robot response part in less than, what time is? Oh yeah, less than 2 minutes. Okay. So add media, only screen, and max with 500 pixel. This is the target, right? So for the input, I want it to be fill with the screen. Fill the screen 500 pixel input. So where are your input box? Here. So after redefine your width would be like recalculated by doing like I don't know, 99 pixel minus 99% minus 20 pixel. Let's see what happened if I. Alright. Is it working? Okay, the footer menu should disappear. Disappear. Display none. Okay. So at 50. Oh, this obviously 500. The footer menu has disappeared. Yep, this is obviously not enough space for the footer menu. But here, look at this. Here, is it working with 99% minus K? Set pause. Let's double check this because you need to run this first. Let me see. I'm searching for that file on my other window. Oh, great. Coding challenge. Coding challenge. Link in and yeah, let me see. Yeah, it's not working still. So the clock continues until I figure out how to do this. Let me see. Okay. Continue. Okay. So this I don't do percent report with. How about that? Okay, the reason why it is not working input box, let me see, input box with 300 pixel. It should work though. Let me see. Okay. Did I miss something? Oh no, wait. Add video only. I don't think. Yeah, it is working because the footer menu is gone. So what is happening? And why don't I do this? Why don't I do this? Why don't I do this? Yeah, there you go. This works, right? Yeah, this works. So all we need to do is to. So this calculator thing doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. It shows a terrible value. So let's watch this. Let's double check what is happening. Okay, we're back. So apparently they need a space here, otherwise it doesn't work. Yeah, I didn't realize that. Huh, I guess. So if you don't have the space, it doesn't work. If you have the space, look at this. It works with the calculation. So that's why it didn't work. Huh. Interesting, isn't it? Well, you learn something every day. This is why I'm doing the challenge thing as well. So that I learn more about the CSS function and everything. Because mostly previously I've always relied too much on Bootstrap, I guess. Anyway. You learn something new every day. Apparently, if you didn't initially for the body, right? If you didn't set all the margin equal to 0, 100% here we have the same effect. Look at this. Similar, look at that. Because there is already a margin for the body. Look at that, look at that. You see? So this is 100%, but I want to be picky just in case I notify all of the margin, right? So I give it a 20, so it will just fit, right? And like this. And the sign in button. The sign in button should have the same thing, right? So I'll just add it here. I know I'm over 20 minutes, I don't mind. It's a good experience. The sign button should have the same thing, so where's the sign button? Sign button here. Truthfully, you don't have to duplicate the whole thing, but it's just easier that way. Width, this is quite 100%. See what's up. There you go. Let's do the whole calculation as well. I don't want like any like. Sorry. Yeah, it's the same thing. So this, if your phone is like very narrow, or you know, if I remember right, iPhone 10 and 11, they are like 350 to 450. I don't remember. Yeah, 375. Yeah, 375. So it should work, right? 350 is the iPhone 5s. Yeah, it's like right here. So be careful when you are doing this kind of stuff. Yeah. Okay. This is me trying to build a LinkedIn login page in 20 minutes. Obviously, went over time, and I messed up on this calculation thing. You need the space. This has been OCAD, and I will see you at the next coding challenge. And also, you can comment in the comment section about what I should try next with only HTML and CSS for now. Bye.